In this lecture, let us discuss about different types of testing. Testing is divided into two main categories, manual testing and automation testing. Again, manual testing, it is of three types: white box testing, black box testing, and gray box testing. Black box testing is further divided into two categories, functional and non-functional. And here, functional is divided into unit testing, integration, system testing, acceptance testing. These are few examples of functional testing. And coming to few examples of non-functional testing, we have performance testing, security testing, portability testing, and reliability testing. Here we'll see about manual testing and automation testing. Software testing is done by the testers who test cases repeatedly to gain output according to the requirement in two ways. The first way is manual and the second one is automatic. Every project or software goes through a testing procedure, and the type of testing method depends on various factors like the budget, expertise, suitability, requirement, and timeline of the project. When the tester writes a testing script manually and tests the software until it functions properly, it is known as manual testing. In manual testing, tester can test the application without any knowledge of programming language. Manual test engineers, they always search for fault or bugs in the product, because before releasing the product into the market, we must first identify if the product is bug free or error free. And there is a chance that the final software product still has a defect or does not meet the customer requirement. Even the manual test engineer do their best. So we can simply say that this manual testing is done by the test engineer in order to check the functionality of an application. So here the test engineer, he'll check whether the application which is designed satisfies the customer requirements or not. Then how to perform manual testing? We have 6 steps. First one is review documents. Here, tester observes all documents related to the software to select testing areas. Second step is analyze requirements. Tester analyzes requirement documents to cover all requirements stated by the customer. After that, build test cases. Here, the tester develops the test cases according to the requirement document and then execute the test cases. All the test cases are executed manually by using black box testing and white box testing. After testing, he'll identify bugs. So if bugs occurred, then the testing team informs the development team. And finally, retest fixes. Here the development team fixes bugs and hand over the software to the testing team for a retest. Advantages of manual testing. First one is human intelligence. Manual testing, it requires human intelligence to develop test cases, identify faults, and judge the overall product quality. In order to test the program's usability, performance, and functionality, testers might make use of their domain knowledge and prior experience. Second one is less expensive. Manual testing is cost effective, especially for small scale projects or when there is no clear understanding of the system requirements. Manual testing does not require any investment in the expensive tools or automation frameworks, which can significantly reduce testing cost. Early detection. Using manual testing, serious flaws in software can be found quickly. Human testers undertake manual testing, which allows them to find flaws that an automated test could have missed. By preventing expensive rework later in the development cycle, early detect discovery can reduce development cycle time and expenses. Fourth one is simplicity. Manual testing is uncomplicated and simple to comprehend. Anyone with a fundamental understanding of the software can perform manual testing. Because of its ease of use, stakeholders and end users can easily be included in the testing process, which can raise the software's quality and user happiness. Coming to the disadvantages of manual testing, first thing is expensive. Manual testing can be expensive, particularly for big projects or when frequent releases are required. It can raise testing costs because it calls for a sizable amount of resources such as employees, time, and equipment. And it takes a lot of time since test cases must be executed manually. Complex software program testing could take some time. Testing teams might not have enough time to cover all test cases because of the delay in software development. Difficult to find and fix problems. It is challenging to quantify the manual testing process since there are no objective metrics provided by manual testing to assess the software quality. Manually, when testers write the test cases and execute them repeatedly, known as manual testing, which is time consuming and the test results are not sure. So, to recover these drawbacks, automation testing came into existence. With automation testing, developers or testers keep everything in their hands, boosting the product's productivity. In automated testing, people they usually use special software in order to check and test a software product. Nowadays, many software projects use automation testing from start to end, especially in agile and DevOps methods. This means the engineering team runs tests automatically with the help of software tools. Here, tester writes the scripts independently and then testing the software will be done by using suitable software or automation tools. Automation tests can be run at any time of the day as they use scripted sequences to examine the software. Automation tests, they'll always compare the expected result with the actual result, and based on the result, they'll generate the detailed test reports. So here the goal of automation testing is not to eliminate the manual testing, but it is just to reduce the number of test cases to be executed. Coming to the advantages, first one is simplifies the test case execution. Automation testing can be left virtually unattended, and thus it allows monitoring of the results at the end of the process, thus simplifying the overall test execution and increasing the efficiency of the application. Improves reliability of tests. Automation testing, it ensures that there is equal focus on all areas of testing, thus ensures the best quality end product. Increases amount of test coverage. Using automated testing, more test cases can be created and executed for an application under test, thus resulting in higher test coverage and the detection of more bugs. This actually allows for the testing of more complex applications and more features can be tested. Next one is minimizing human interaction. In automation testing, everything is automated from test case creation to execution. So there are no changes for human error to neglect. So this actually reduces the necessity for fixing glitches in the post-release phase. It even saves time and money also. And also it even helps in early detection of defects. Coming to the disadvantages, first one is high initial cost. Automation testing often requires significant upfront investment in tools. So as we are using more tools here, we need to invest more, right? As well as we need to invest in infrastructure and training also. So licensing costs for automation tools can be high, especially for enterprise level solutions. Programming knowledge is required. To effectively automate tests, testers need to understand the application's code and logic to design meaningful test cases and handle various scenarios. Even programming skills help in troubleshooting and debugging issues within the automated tests. It even helps in identifying problems in the application under test. Then maintenance overhead. Automated test needs to be updated regularly to reflect changes in the application. This can be particularly challenging when the application undergoes frequent updates or changes, leading to increased maintenance efforts. Then, high resource consumption. Automated test scripts, especially in large test suites, can consume considerable resources and time during execution. potentially impacting system performance or test environment stability. Even this automation testing may require additional hardware and software resources to run the tests effectively.